Hey, what is up guys, back again with another video and another life update and a lot of other things about SME IIT Jodhpur. First of all, first semesters are over and the results are there too. And why crazy cheese? So there is this feedback form thing, right? You have to give feedback to the teachers, and if you do not fill that, your results are basically delayed. They first say that you're not going to get the results, but you do get them, but you get them after like 15 to 20 days. And your boy actually forgot to fill that form somehow. But I know. It was very stupid of me to do that, but ho gaya yaar. There were so many emails, and somehow we were only given like 2 to 3 days to fill that form, which is ample amount of time, I understand, but yeah. So other people got the result quite early. In comparison, I got it relatively late, and but I still got it though. And time for telling you guys the result, because this is the channel where we speak the truth and we speak what happens in the life. We got 7.43 CGPA, SGPA बोल दो क्योंकि for the first time दोनों same ही है. Yeah man, 7.43, and that happened after a little bit of mess ups that happened in this class. एक क्या बताऊँ मैं यार तुमको, पूरा स्टोरी बता देता हूँ चलो. This one subject, basically statistics, and we were unable to submit the project at time, and everybody was getting bad marks in like midterms and everything, right? Midterms maybe, yeah, for majors ke andar bhi everybody got bad marks. So project was your one way to actually get great marks in the subject, and there is relative grading. And somehow my team, I was not present at that time. So yeah, I'm not gonna actually put that on me, but somewhere it is my fault too, क्योंकि मैंने coordinate नहीं किया इतना ज़्यादा. But yeah, on the last day we were supposed to fill the form and like upload the क्या बोलते हैं project, but we were late by 5 minutes, and the sir didn't take it. So just totally refused to take it, and that was like a bad situation there. What to say? He refused, and everybody got like, my roommate got 20 out of 20, while I was sitting there with 0 out of 20. And that made a lot of a difference. Like, I was supposed to get A in that, at least A minus I would say, in stats, but I got C minus because of the same ordeal. तो ये हो गया यार, क्या बताऊँ अभी और. So I would guess I would have gotten 7.8 at least, 7.8, 7.9, maybe 8, I don't know, but वो हो नहीं पाया, और उसकी जगह पर what happened was 7.43. I am not very happy with this personally, because they also give you the class rank, and I'm exactly at average right now with 7.43. So if anybody is going to join SME someday, you can technically understand what we get if you get 7 के आजू बाजू वाले marks, right? Now, other than that, what is happening? Yeah, I'm gonna try to do the LinkedIn updates, right? I need to fix my LinkedIn. The LinkedIn in itself is good. वो मैं कल से करने वाला हूँ, right? The plan is 21 days के लिए we're gonna upload one post every day, ठीक है? On our own, मतलब ठीक है. I would urge you guys to do the same thing with me, क्योंकि yeah, that's like IIT Jodhpur के craziest people ever. ठीक है, this guy like dances crazy, and he sings crazy.
तुझे सोचता हूँ मैं शाम और सुबह, इससे ज़्यादा तुझे और चाहूँ तो क्या.
ठीक है, it's my video. just kidding. No, these are great guys, man. They are great guys. So yeah, these guys are also in MBA with me, right? Now again, back to the point. We're gonna do LinkedIn stuff. 21 days, we're gonna upload one post every day, and it needs to be, it doesn't need to be very polished, because it's gonna happen for every day, right? The problem is हम लोग कभी कुछ upload ही नहीं करते, and we wait for every opportunity, and sometimes what happens is we don't get those opportunities, and sometimes when we get, we try to make it such a big ordeal कि हम उसको मतलब कुछ अलग ही बना देते हैं. I don't want that, and I can't really genuinely wait more to start uploading things. I think इस तरफ बहुत अच्छा lighting नहीं आ रहा है क्योंकि because the sun is in that side, so we're just gonna switch and walk on the back क्योंकि yeah, it doesn't look that well in this side. वैसे भी उस तरफ कुछ है नहीं ज़्यादा. Yeah, this side relatively better, doesn't change a lot. What other than this, placements are going on. I am placed for the summer internships. I don't know if I shared it with you guys or not. Yeah, I am placed here. It's a local company here, and the stipend is good in terms of हमारे college का stipend. It's good. I do not have WorkX which exceeds 1 year. I do have WorkX, but it doesn't exceed 1 year. So for getting great placements and great summer internships, I personally think that in this college you need to have क्या बोलते हैं, a good WorkX, or else like you would have to choose between a great company or a great stipend. Whatever happened with me was good. I have gotten it. I will soon share my updates with you regarding that. I just don't want to do it right now because I don't know if I can. That's it. Varna soon enough, maybe in the next video, I'll just confirm it and I'll share it with you guys. Cool. Second sem started, and a very interesting type of subjects have started coming in, right? First semester was all about simpler but like more, क्या बताऊँ यार, थोड़ा सा टेक्निकल था, है ना, ज़्यादा, जैसे कि स्टैट्स वैट्स आ गया, एंड ऑपरेशंस भी था. लाइक वी हैव ऑपरेशंस इन दिस सेम ऑल्सो, बट ऑपरेशन में लास्ट ईयर, लाइक लास्ट सेम, पहले क्लास से हम लोग स्टडी कर रहे थे, लाइक वी वर डूइंग सम कैलकुलेशंस. हियर वी आर नॉट. Here we are like studying a little bit, and more than that, the interesting subjects, like there is this new venture planning, there is digital enterprise, है ना, मतलब थोड़े से ऐसे strategy, some of the subjects which actually involve a lot more of what I thought MBA is, right? तो उस हिसाब से देखा जाए तो MBA वाला part is going good. I think the second semester is taking it up a notch, and it's a perfect time to start studying and start making your brain expand in all the directions. So that was about studying. What else? Things are happening. The new events and all keeps on happening. अभी Prometeo, there's ऐसा कुछ करके कुछ ना कुछ तो event आ रहा है. So that is coming on. Yesterday there was a Harry Potter themed prom night. I did go there. It was a decent event. अच्छा ही था. But I mean it was organized by students only, so they did all that they could, and it was nice. It was मतलब ये सारी चीज़ें जो होती हैं वो सारी mainly the मज़े वाली चीज़ें जो होती हैं, these are organized by BTech students. MBA students are busy in their MBA stuff, and I mean there are some stuff that MBA students do too, and they organize those, but those are mainly business related होता है. Nothing that fancies normal people and normal public out of their own boredom and ordinary life. मेरा गला ख़राब हो चुका है, and I think वो मुझे पहले ही बता देना चाहिए था. बताना क्या है, आप लोग सुन ही रहे हो, and I do not sound normal as I normally do, but कोई बात नहीं, it should be good. The cold here is crazy, बहुत ज़्यादा, है ना. मैं यहाँ पे आया and it like shook me. We had December was off, right? December is technically a time for you to have winter internships, but अगर तुम नहीं लेते हो तो भी चलता है. There is no official winter internship period, right? So you get technically the whole month off. So जिसको करना होता है वो कर लेता है, जिसको नहीं करना वो नहीं करता. Some of my friends did. I personally did not. क्यों नहीं? क्योंकि I thought there were some more important things for me to do, and I did them. Courses अभी भी चल रहे हैं. A little bit of weight is off me because मेरा internship is for now secured. so I do not need to worry about that. Being in the placement committee, I am still worried about the placements of the whole class, so that is going on. And companies are coming still. A lot of companies are there, they are in the loop, and yeah, things seem good enough. If there's anything you guys want to know, if there is something, yeah, by the way, next video probably should be about all the facilities of SME, and a lot of questions, the general questions that people ask about SME and kaise aana hai, ya fir like should you choose this college or not, wale questions. Yeah, we're gonna try to cover those kind of topics. Hopefully it will be an important and helpful video for you guys. और अगर नहीं रहता तो भी कोई बात नहीं, I can say that I tried. Okay, have a nice day, my brothers and sisters. That was all about this video. I have walked for 11 minutes and I have made this video. I think my day was enough productive for now. The lectures are really long nowadays. सुबह 9 बजे चालू होता है, 9 से 12. After that you get some थोड़ा सा time. फिर 3 to 4, 4 to 5, and कभी कभी 3 to 4 ही रहता है, कभी कभी 4 to 5 भी रहता है, and different things. So if you guys are ever in IIT Jodhpur or in Jodhpur, you guys can ping your boy up, meet me. If not, peace out. Ta-da.